Hi everyone, what's going on? It's Declan Maltman back again with another logo design tutorial. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this logo. To design this logo, we'll only be using one size of circle multiple times and only using the shape builder tool. In this video, I'm going to be using the Illustrator app on my iPad, but the same rules apply for the full version of Illustrator over on Mac and on Windows. Before we get into it, make sure you press that big red subscribe button down below. I'm just going to be screen recording the process without any commentary. We're literally only going to be using one tool through the whole process and duplicating a bunch of the same size circle. It will be super easy for you guys to follow along at home. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. And here we have the finished design. We've done this by only using one size of circle and only using the shape builder tool. I hope this video has helped you realise how powerful this tool can be and what you can do by only using this tool without the pen tool. This is really what makes Illustrator the most powerful and most promising vector design software. Simply for the ease of use and how quickly it took me to design that super clean looking logo. If you want to try and do your own one at home and you want to post it somewhere for me to see, you can post it on Facebook or Instagram and tag me at either Declan Maltman or Neat Digital for a chance to have them showcased in one of my next videos. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If there's anything else you want me to go over, or even if you have any advice for me, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll hopefully see you again in one of my future videos.